Hello friends, in this video, I'll share how to make free organic fertilizer for plants. Plants thrive better, roots are stronger, and the soil is looser after being applied with homemade organic fertilizer made from natural ingredients like kitchen waste, coffee grounds, or rice washing water, because the macro and micronutrients are completely decomposed. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, from kitchen waste, when fermented properly, provides optimal results for plant growth without damaging the soil's chemical composition, with regular fertilization every 1 to 2 weeks. The combination of Balacassita, Chromalena odorata, leaves and potato peels can be processed into a nutrient-rich liquid organic fertilizer, POC, particularly as an alternative to urea, nitrogen, and potassium. Balacassita leaves are high in nitrogen, which promotes vegetative growth, while potato peels provide essential phosphorus and potassium for plants. How to make liquid fertilizer from Balacassita leaves and potato peels. The process of making this liquid fertilizer generally uses a fermentation method for approximately 7 to 14 days. Ingredients: Balacassita leaves, 1 to 2 kilograms, chopped, blended. Potato peels, 0.5 to 1 kilogram, preferably boiled first, then mashed. Molasses, brown sugar, granulated sugar. As an energy source for bacteria, 100 to 200 grams. Decomposer, bioactivator. Agricultural EM4 or rice washing water, 100 to 200 milliliters. Water, 5 to 10 liters. Preferably rice washing water or well water. Avoid chlorinated tap water. Container, jerrycan or bucket with a tight lid. The combination of Balacassita leaves, Chromalena odorata, and coffee grounds is an excellent organic mixture for gardening, especially as an organic fertilizer and natural pest control. Balacassita leaves are rich in nutrients, high in nitrogen, and are often used as a substitute for urea, while coffee grounds provide nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and copper, which enrich the soil. Here are the benefits and how to process the combination of Balacassita leaves and coffee grounds. Benefits of the combination: solid organic fertilizer, compost. Fermented Balacassita leaves with coffee grounds produce a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer for plant growth. Pest control, botanical pesticide. The caffeine content in coffee grounds and the active compounds in Balacassita, tannins, phenols, can repel snails, slugs, and other soil pests. Organic mulch. Balacassita leaves spread on the surface of the soil maintain moisture, while coffee grounds increase soil aeration. The best time to apply organic fertilizer is in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., to avoid high evaporation and maximize stomatal absorption. For solid fertilizers, compost, manure, apply 1 to 2 weeks before planting. Liquid organic fertilizers, POC, should be sprayed regularly every 1 to 2 weeks during sunny weather. Organic fertilizer application timing guide. Daily time, POC, liquid, morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., when the sun is not yet hot and leaf stomata are open, or in the afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., when temperatures are cool. Best time, solid, manure. Apply 1 to 2 weeks before planting or during soil cultivation to allow the fertilizer to fully decompose. Growth phase, early planting, vegetative. Apply nitrogen-rich organic fertilizer to stimulate leaf and stem growth. Generative phase. Apply when the plant begins to flower or bear fruit to improve fruit quality. Avoid applying fertilizer during midday, hot sun, due to the risk of plant burn, and during heavy rain, as the fertilizer is easily washed away. Application. Spraying. Apply evenly to the underside of leaves, where there are most stomata. Soil conditions. Ensure the soil is sufficiently moist, not dry and not waterlogged, to encourage soil microorganisms to be active. Safety. Do not use POC simultaneously with fungicides, bactericides to avoid killing the beneficial microbes in the fertilizer. Plants that thrive after being applied with organic fertilizer, compost, manure, POC, show signs of physical improvement in their leaves, stems, roots, and the surrounding soil. Organic fertilizers work by increasing nutrient content and continuously improving soil structure. Signs of thriving plants after organic fertilizer application +1 Listen. Plants that thrive after organic fertilizer application, compost, manure, POC, show signs of physical improvement in the leaves, stems, roots, and surrounding soil. Organic fertilizers work by increasing nutrients and continuously improving soil structure. Here are signs of thriving plants after organic fertilizer application. 1. Changes in leaves and stems. Fresh green leaf color. Leaves are bright green, not dark green, excess nitrogen, or yellow. Nutrient deficiency. Fast and wide leaf growth. Plants exhibit rapid growth, with larger leaves and an increased number of leaves. Sturdy stems. Plant stems grow strong, not weak, and not soft. Stems that are too soft indicate excess nitrogen and are prone to falling over. 2. Productivity and growth. Increased number of shoots and branches. Plants appear bushier due to the emergence of new shoots. More flowering and fruiting. Plants exhibit active and abundant flowering and fruiting. Plant recovery. Plants that were previously wilted, yellow, or stunted show signs of improvement, recovery, and become more vibrant. 3. Signs in soil and roots. Looser soil structure. Soil fertilized with solid organic fertilizer will become more crumbly, less compacted, rich in humus, and have increased air-holding capacity. Healthy roots. Roots grow optimally, are long, and do not rot. Dark soil color. Soil turns blackish-brown, indicating a high nutrient and organic matter content.